I'm so high you are not seeing me fly, 'cause I'm so up in the clouds, zone out, yeah. Yo. Yeah, I'll be right there. 10:30. All right.
Wearing all black clothing, suspected to be with her father.
Quiet now. See that man there? He's a real estate agent. He's gonna find us a nice home to get you away from that mess you got yourself in.
I will never, never forgive you for what you've done.
Quiet. Don't say a word when he comes up.
Hi there. My name's Tommy Nestor. What brings y'all to this neck of the woods?
How's it going, Tommy? I'm just in the market for a new home. Nice, quiet.
Well, you definitely found it.
I don't want to go. I'm not going.
Luna, please. I'm just trying to save my baby sister. Can't you let me do that? You're not going to die. I won't let that happen.
Well, look, maybe I'm not afraid to die. Maybe I want to.
What are you talking about? Why would you even say that? You're going to live.
You call this living? No, this is not living.
Listen, I'm not going to lose you too, okay? Mom and Dad said that
Mom and Dad turned you into a control freak. All I do is what you tell me. Not anymore.
Hey.
Hey, anything for me?
No, it's mostly junk. Except somebody got a birthday card.
It's from Grandma. She gave me money.
Girl's best friend.
Dad. Remember the money rule.
What is that?
It means give some away, save some, and spend some. Where do you want to donate this time? Do we have to? It's only going to be $1.
Wait, you don't think $1 makes a difference?
Not really.
Tell you what, hold on to it for a day, then we'll give it away and see what happens. Deal?
Deal.
So I was always into that stuff, always into anime and gaming. But it wasn't until I was working at a warehouse. It was kind of like a UPS type of job with some friends. They were talking about going to a con. They'd never been before. They've never had anybody to go with. So the three of us decided to go. I looked it up online and saw, oh my gosh, people all dress up as these characters? That is amazing, and I want to do that.